Assalamalikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine, doing well. So viewers, today I am back with very stylish and stunning collection of summer wear crochet top and blouse ideas. In this video you will see different styles, different designs of crochet made summer wear top blouse. I hope viewers you are gonna love this collection. All these designs are different from one another. Please don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was the video and how are the designs and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel. If you are new on my channel viewers, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications, and please support me by sharing my video with your friends.